Asempa FM by Erasmus Edu Coffee Tractor Asempa FM Asempa FM Asempa FM
Semnambi tunomate asapale nengodo ngane mama Bebuya no mate matamekuli Bebuya no mate asapale nengodo ngane Usopala wena wo Usopala wena Usopala wena Usopala no mate Usopala no mate Usopala wena Usopala wena Usopala no mate Usopala wena Tinana wesando same Ojiwa zindundum Tinana
Belgium, any Holland, any Yemania, you could be for not do always different. The bit is a humble. Who watch on the comment now? Go to go out, one show who nothing I mean so new one. May have to three more president, 3 to me 4. One show will all go to a group no prayer. I do my power. Now, I mean, just coming to the year, I'm going to catch him. So, you can be up at your can. You can do a Macau, you may do one make more. And you knock on for the Quadman, even a diker, she can tell back and bring the same we are. One God made it a picture, the swimming in the you know, it was living yet, and just an Akatana, it is young by Boyan and them. All of the people who attack at the it is also the man of one of you are taking a Diana.
Make us a free Stockholm, Sweden. Now, we did the Papa SU group. You can say, me too quiet, made Abrokyire 77, Namisha. Abrokyire, you couldn't trade, and you'll be an assembly, between Yano, Fufusa. Now, such a young answer in your pet.
Asempa FM. Asempa FM.
Ebe fie dunia kwakutuba
Asempa FM
mane yentene kan kame ese oni fie ayaka be maba ya hwase ayena akwantu eya manipa abo asesa afẹ wanimu afede eya papa ho adwedwe ntimi de duko abo meyem bebia wo bi asesa niema nsem ode hyeba ene ma me kan asem sechi be ya oda ente se won sayem kwakutie anumeja ne ma wo proebo okọ achiri kokọ aduane obesan bebiem ka hu se wagya bufia wo fituo Sisi, one, Momodi, the Wesi
Sanity, Ofie, any fee, so Conasanya, ya, Unchi, and answer Saba. Mama Majumi Mama Kwaba, Edmoba, Asempa 94.7, Musofoko Kwamakwa, Akute Joe. Samre, Busha Mumrena, a ye, Nusia Abape Musima Ediasa, Abrokyire Nkommo. Ghana for a woman on it and the Omo Mofie Nano. Samre and I so ye chere adwin. Yesua de na ye entertaining comfort so. It is say enwumre otwe aben a radio set and I say online bomodia the term kuchu the tea de ekoso. Work some bisabia obetimi de aba. Me can say so o am on it na pese wutie live obetimi call a Facebook ye stream live e wo hono Asempa 94.7 FM. Asempa 94.7 FM. Benyane live ewo ho saso na okọ akontajo esoso a obenyane live ewo ho no mo. Na ni nyina ne se okọ www.myjoyonline and na se adum online a obetima akọ akonya ye live esoso ewo ho no mo. De ne ye kan ne ene ye wo dwumadie no mienu. Ye ne yen proud sponsors Ghana German Center for Jobs, Migration and Reintegration for our Mabeso Yasne, any GHL Bank, any Ghana Home Loans, our Mabeso Yasne, any Incommodity Bebre or YBD. Didi kan any Ghana Home Loans, any GHL Bank, Ebedin Komo Afa, Mortgager, Abagana, Abrokyire Abagana, Ghana so akwa Abrokyire. She say, men for Sika. And to baby cry and son waka say Missicana Buano and San Messidan. She so bet me to Yana Bosome, now what me at all die. Obet move fear do you know. She swak how will be dying best at 20 years. Obia when my best at 10. Firstborn in 30 years, lastborn also in 10 years. O can boom one quarter or dying. If you run a crowd of Bosome Swan was Masatum, where the mortgage no ye no atwa ebo ato se bosumi bia se na obetua saa bosumi sika na wo tua no eno na ye no beka ho asem ne empanyifo ofidua mu ha se ye ne ye papa eye Kojo Adokofo oye co-founder and ono aso saa ye obi a eba business a osa eye obi a odano obecheche no ma bebre mu sebi uti ha na oti se ye nua bi wa Abrokyire se matodan ana obi aba se matodan wa Abrokyire bi say oto ne sen ekwan be so no fa to no ebi aba Ghana men koto asase hu manso kra de etimi di 20 years ni nwie ni nyina no ene se koto dan na ye free eno an se oni Ghana Home Loans ene GHL Bank ebe ka bom e say bank no ebe busa hoso asem se the city yen semre no enye easy ne saso na Ghana German Center for Jobs Migration and Reintegration for say bomodia so we school and a free education aba no obi wo ho no ma se e free na so baby o wo no ni ti ene nwoma no enko into opeso ye dey okosua insano adwuma German for bebrebe ni nyina ese German eye kura eba adwuma ye efa industrialization na omo ye number 1 na eye sano adwuma omusua ewo fie omusua ewo school se de si boss kan no oye ne kakra na ode ye den etimi ni eye bibi ko animu a efe boss kan no bi kura na otimi sharpen knife friends said adie bi e de ye normal foforo eti Ghana Center for Jobs Migration and Reintegration say men kofa esre no so men kofa ensuo no so enkowu oye odihye ema wo man oye dihye ema o community oye dihye ema wabusua men kowu ewo akwantifi ma abusua entwa adwadwo bomodian say odo ho ebedom eye ekuoi ewo Ghana ha say se wawie school ana impo ufra kwantu maba utwa wani hwe benkum ni fa na enkoyi a na opa adwuma bi asua ana se opa anamo bi a obefa so aye adwuma bomodian ne ko hu omo ewo number 30 Independence Avenue Accra heya ana obetima frɛ omo 055 67 58 518 ana 055 67 58 516 na ono modi nkata ho se opeso usua mechanic catering carpentry ene insano adwuma bebre a ewo Ghana ha bebre fi se enye adwuma papa no German government ni Ghana government akabo mu se bra na onkyerɛw de kwan a obefa so na wosua na kina bi no odi aba bra akwantu ni enkase mentu o se bra so opeso otu kwan kra na bra no no ntra se na onma wo visa ne mum onkyerɛ se baabi a wo kokra na ebeboa wa na se emmoa school na pesa wo kono amanone a bra no no nkasa se ebeboa ana se emmoa ni nyina ne se omo wo ho ema wo ene oman ni nyina ene selem sika ye no ye ne ye papa Kojo Adokofo oda eye GHL Bank ene Ghana Home Loans ano ye be ma ye papa akwaba opanyi ye mo akwaba do ba Asempa 94.7
akunta bejoso mesa chia wetifo nyina
etifo joso which say makunta pa na ti ha no
akunta pa
nye nche kra akunta sika no maji message ne akunta yemra business ye ka say eye GHL Bank Ghana Home Loans best na watchumi enseni o ma ye hu differences a ewo saa ekoyimi enu mu ebi obi ante da emre na ye kan ye no ene uchiremu tofa Ghana Home Loans ene GHL Bank esusu ye be ne da wo muntem
yo 2006 ena Ghana Home Loans ejumakono
Asempa FM
yetie na ne ye free the mortgage specialist say we are in a hospital ne ka se okohu specialist na hu say okohu abinfo just say omo mo ti ade na se pa enti ne ye free mortgage specialist ne just say open mortgage dia oba Ghana ye ne yeti ase ye na agya so ye hu so say enu kwan ne ye na 2006 abesi 2017 ye fa say Ghana dia say oba na ka say opese otodan o hia bosia to asase home completion home construction mortgage na idea we do be so bia would ni madwuma no beka say ne Ghana Home Loans for ho ko san mo anye ye 2017 no ena ye san call Bank of Ghana for ho so mom your license om dia ma ye sen fan mortgage no mo fa mi kan ho and no more a universal bank.
Okay.
And the society din yen GHL. And GHL no Ghana Ghana home loans. And the near fair Ghana home loans, and one is a friend GHL bank. I in a short.
Okay.
Let's say Uti Ghana home loans and out GHL banker. Yenia.
Right.
And one says say no mortgage no that's what.
Right.
And they signed the universal banking, just a current accounts, savings accounts,
right.
treasury bills, personal loans. They ultimately in the bank piano. Yeah, that kind of.
Right.
He's saying you know how just say you know preoccupy bank.
Right.
I don't know.
Right. Yanya who says sa eku baako no just a baako aye banking and the baako aye mortgage and I say home loans and the home. Right. It's a main near bi Ghana. E dan ye hwe ya hu say ye nuane ma wa ma no ne bebre no. Eto dan omka say ye to dan abroche aye mortgage. Jenny e Ghana ne enti ase. Ba ye dia ne say e koto asase. Ne si dan. Na esi dan ne susu ane abe say efiera. Bo hod man ne dan esi hod no better 25 years ni. Ontimi incomplete. And I still two obi fie na otua dan ka. Abra konya ska ne buma ko de ba akoye ye no. Ye ka mortgage a na ase ne say.
Mortgage ye bosia ye bo e de to dan ana ye di sidan ana so start so sidan outimi e de wie ya man for friend project no.
Right.
So I start sidan now see can bo how start say bi sidan ana ya sika sem ne mo iden kakra ne che so hiamoa wo ba ye ho a ne e sa bosia na ma.
Right.
Na de ma mortgage demonstration kono say ukobo bosiana ehia se obesanya collateral fufu bia dia koji sa bosiana dan na o pese obo bosiana disi no sa dan na ne san dia collateral into obo how to me freka so I me hu dan bia pese me to na me ni collateral bia
Right.
Uhia collateral bia dan na pese to na ene de be collateral sa netie inti eno ma near possible say obi a say be uni collateral no which me age bosia e dia to dan bia 2 3 4 bedroom na ya sanji sa dan na dia collateral na chise utwa na kakakra.
Right.
And see hwa sna osi ka no abrochi for there say me just say obi ati ase just abrochi obi enu ha o na be say wetin botum sika dia to dan abrofo krom boti okra ya say be o mu krom no o mo to dan mo the mortgage na to.
Right.
Because home fa so e be repay o san tax ase a tax benefits so ho so how dey enko but the benefits na ho dey be
Right.
enti o pese o si dan and now pese o to dan and now pese o to asase o pese if I dan ho idea just that's the best product it media say adwuma no.
Right.
And no chere no obo so no wo dan kwato ewie we say ewie
Right.
o woni din mu.
Yeah.
But no here bosian dia ye bibia just a long term project bi.
Right.
Obo an bia won say bia nkrofo ye cashew nuts ya be na bia orange processing factory no here lump sum dia ye which me this dan na e wo din mu no ba na obeje their friend equity release mortgage na so the dan ne babo bosian.
Right.
And no sound so long term loan ne the amount maybe out of 10 15 20 years now here and my monthly installments no and now boss me be ade which and money ba form.
Right.
Na which one kakaka na efio can it here.
Right. Okay. But that's a bit bread. To say no, young fan no. Me am wa broche. Me bank details ni na e wa broche. Me bank no ankasa wo ho. And na GH bank no sa baha. Sa GH bank no me ni account wo ho no mo. Me sa me ti ba ama mama me mortgage ni bi.
Sa pepe bit me in sama. Na asema me be kan dey me just say obi a na broche bia e bia to ne pen. Say wa broche na wa free fee say o koya chakaka na ka person moto asase bi ma. Na wo di sika ba. Na dia ma do phone no makoto asase na fe utna play mu bedru ya. Almost say o bra yem fa nko asase so.
Right.
Afi o ko asase so a wo be ko na bia obi ejina so na on so ye upon the foundation. O say asase ye una mo se moto ma mi na ni pe ojina head na bia akoy complication bebrebe.
Right.
Ana se bia o be ko no asase ne da ho de. And so ye searcher na akopie obi foforo din mu.
Okay.
Eno sa no si dan siso a enye ye chese asase ne nya ode na ode dan kosi so.
Ah, na se metua sika ma ohene no na se abusuan na meto asase metua mo receipt.
Ampa sika ndi wetua na ye search or registry na land title odi ni ho. Nti ebe hia se udin beko omo books mu e land title ho se wono wato asase no.
Right.
Na de emma no ye possible say obetimi ama odi akom ne friend title transfer.
Okay.
Na anything na ye be stress say o pese auto asase na oni chrome ha na oni obi obedi e chira mawa.
Right.
Na ka oni ye edi nkomo
Oni
GHL Bank.
GHL Bank for Abrokyire Nkommo.
Which make us so assassin here 30,000. Momu 20,000.
Right.
Bikra momu 30,000. But be percent GHL for modi musika ka home because musika wo mu a moni be di akire. Mo be search no. Mo be title transfer maybe be amame. Me ti New York, me ni adaje. Mo na mo Ghana. Enti sika no 30,000, me di 20, mo fa 10 nso so. Me share that bomb hobosia. Na mo discount mami a. Meaning say as part of the process no. Due diligence and say ben hwehwe mu won bi hanom be because I say partners ne ye to assassin.
Right.
Enti no possible say wa outi Abrokyire no wo de be fa sa kwan no so na che say why the money I want to say nipa pie ho a omunye Ghana fo bo ha Nigeria fo pie ni aye adwuma sa.
Right.
What me say nipa no osika.
Yeah.
Wo sheda o se bi adani 100,000 obobo say 20,000. Or not the 80 ba.
Okay.
Or yes I free say be on free ha.
Okay.
Wonim say want system na say. Nemo nin say ye 20,000 no community no. Ye be search, ye be survey, ye be evaluation, ye be ni na bi. Na ye bond bo sia no wie so a ye title transfer no ama dana bedi ne din mu. Na etimi a processing mortgage na mana ye. Enti se wo hia sika no kra at least investigations na ka ho no. Eno kra ma mortgage no sa ho ban fa so ma. Just say when your partner na your kwon ni to assassin any GHL bank no.
Right. Okay, me ni account or hono. A bank ya okay, me ni account or hono. She say me hwe ni fie ni school.
Yeah.
Yeni a ye wo Ghana ha no. Me akrasa no me ni account or hono. Still metima ba ama mama me sa loan no e de atodan no. Na loan no me de wo musen e na momu de wo musen.
Enti de di kan no account no wo beji loan na e be account na ma ni automatic. All the documents never near be account number. Internet is a account or Ghana no. That should be on the so uchi award for CB fees and IBP sana. Which me this can be to now why the obey. Na account ne be amount any problem.
Right.
Na udi say ne be gina wa holding so. Una be can say be a me to asase e 30. And I'm person me sit me see drew lentil level. Mum be 10 and 15,000 or so. Right. Na yen fancy me see.
Afi na chese documents be ba mo ho kopim se metu awie na mo de make documents amame na se be wo me ho.
Documents no e wo ye ho.
Okay.
Na ya plotting, your friend plotting, you call lands department. Ya plot ya trade room say dan ya odia yen fine e wodi mu. Nemum obobo sian ho nti your friend no ya one mortgage amaye. Nti ye din sha say ha nti ya should be out try free why e be ma your friend deed of discharge. Let just say ya discharge o. Ya ye din free say na just say but e wodi mu. Ya dia ba bi di ho.
Right. Ya mbra ye mo some projects bi wa ha say. Yes sisi dan awie. E bi wo kra na almost to complete. Biju project. And no sort of saying, person can want some kakra because nipa be busame. Me ntima nchecho mu ye. Sa biju project no. Oba mo mano 100% and answer or be mu 80% and answer or be mu 20%. And a hefa ne wo.
Yo biju ni project bia GHL Bank. Ye ni Apollonia for. Yeah. So mo muni makra kakra na Apollonia City. Ye kro bia ye chehwe oyibi.
Okay.
Accra Dodowa Road no.
Right.
Ho baby. So papa on be we na just say dan ho be 30,000. Kromwa. To be BIB or ho.
Just say Kromwa.
Inte fe na Apollonia City prekope.
Right.
Apollo say kro. School ho, dan ho, offices bia ho.
Right.
Na nkofo bi na agi asase no my services, roads, drainage bia nti say problems wa Accra and drains na no flooding na ni bi ni ho.
Right.
Nti eno mu na eye. Ena the akoye ne say yaje asase kakra omo nchen ena ye ne omaye adan 100
right
to start with HBC bi aka ho na the end say ye hwe Abrokyire from particular ye hwe mo request omo tade ba
right
dines no musi penno ne bo ne design ni bibia ena ya share design ade na Abrokyire for nti we the Abrokyire for dim right na project no price no free $50,000 to 75,000.
Right.
Inti any 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, expandable, detached stay. Inti obi oha ne bia or person top small bedroom, or 1 or 2 bedroom, or back Ghana or Vietnam. That should be a home. Then ba no we see bia kan ho.
Right.
Inti san ye here in the designing mom. Inti in fact a gated compound within a gated compound because Biju Nankasa a gated compound.
Right.
And Apollonia now also gated. Inti we are gated within the gated. Inti when the kapa more internet so no bit mako website no.
Right.
BijouHomesGH.com.
That's this mami bio.
Bijou Homes. Bijou ni spelling BIJOU.
Okay, that's this bio.
BIJOU.
OU.
Homes. It was Homes.
Homes.
BijouHomesGH.com.
Okay.
Oko wa be hu sina dan city. Nice adan design ya chese asase da hon kama.
Right.
Obeto asase a ana beto dan time bia no. Yeah, now it's a nipanica so dan 300,000, 400,000. Ni boni here.
Yeah.
But they saying here pa infrastructure a dan so. Because sabi oto dan na bia developer no ensi ye bia na wall no ho crack kakra.
Right.
With mark of mason. No obe pacha ma.
Right.
And obeto dan na bia roof no ya anye ni ye enyunu inso to a ebi ba dem. Okofa carpenter no aboso. Now to dan na inso to na area ho na fladia. And it is asem now too because we are not
yeah.
And you know be area who na drains near you
yeah.
Inti infrastructure near number one.
Okay.
There can na with my wall na cracking window acha with my sampuma with my saupono.
Right.
But if you have a drainage problem and be a see dino na title in your papa. Maybe ha unya to dina na beka untimi sesa.
Right.
Na Apollonia City there obi a ko obi a be di ho dance say ni kan ye o ma yin kama.
Right.
It's one of Bijou Homes no.
Right. Yembra ahumano so kakra eye yenua bema Kofi Capito.
Hey, talk me offer.
Offer, okay. Kofi wa ahumano so Kofi yamwa kwa abado ba Asempa 94.7 Abrokyire Nkommo. Kofi atete Kofi nyenru ha say ahumano production yamfa ne mai. Okay, membra back to eye obo eye Bijou Homes gh.com. Aba se pe number bia e be fra eno so hu hia me pa.
Okay.
Numbers are on bit my free. Se e bi obo ha ontimi ko sisi ana wontima anchra. Number be no free wa obenya.
You omo frenzy 0302 Accra number na me boy. 770 522
0303
0302
Aye. 775
770 522 That's right.
Mrs. Subio 030 277 0522
That's right.
And on betime aba mufidua mu ho no modin ko.
And now
24 hours and I say
24 hours.
24 hours.
And now some more emails, some call info at Bijou Homes GH.
Bijou Homes GH. Okay. And so email.
In the email. And now to me the GHL Bank as well. You're very far my project team.
Okay.
In terms of info at ghlbank.com.
Right. Yeah, kwa humana so na Kofi Capito e wo so. Kofi yamwa kwa abado ba Asempa 94.7.
Chewete fo nyina ni Abrokyire fo.
Obija Joseph.
Abrokyire be do ni nansa. Na mebo minyo no fizi GHLC Bank and I say GHCL.
GHL Bank.
GHL Bank.
Yeah.
Initiative now or ma take you know. But I'm quite paper no. Number one, I did be or can say CRM say mo kan sa na akwa say Ghana ni ebe to na ni bia be yedin. Sa dollar business na ye wo Ghana ha no. Me show ebe ya nka mo mi nyai. E na kan wa ma properties e koso Ghana. Yes, we are investor, but we are local investor. I think it's better say be equivalent of Ghana cedi. And I'm over no. Now okay say obi or Ghana can be pebi. And maybe a $1 there. Now some cause $1 and sana. But what he is talking about, and I'm so maybe say me I'm a little bit a year convenient and better. Number two, you say be fine print, any disclosures, any sign money. And pay Ghana for the effort. Yan can ye cause contract. I'm on cause contract, yeah. Actually, no, what's the Ghana for spend be different account. Although, no, that's how the other walk with Tiano. No, now I contract and say, I will say the I'm going to come here.
It's your power.
And you know, a sanction, a young man, Emma, Sapphire Prince, Emma more visible. Say the better will be the sign contractor. That you emphasize with you and Tumba, emphasize Kasakasama, because you shall only investors, they are here to make money and improve on investment. I don't for them. But sir, nitty-gritty, and then my amici and now, say your description, so Emma, you're from the one on here. Yet, give me my description. Now, Babano, no area, now you're going, you know. Then you're in an hour. Give me what you're here. Say, will you be and a war? Mokas Apollonia City, and will you be? Ubashano, maybe a market, and if you near East Legon, and after East Legon Mountains. I'm going to go here.
It's you. What's your
job? You know, what is Legon? Most of the office is Legon. And you are Babano. Now, say no, I disappointed. I know you are going to report. But in case you have my description, I don't know what you say. I don't know if you know. And why you mention? And I say, I want to be one more. Now, you know, now packaging on the internet. Internet, any more than one. I'm most of the time, really to I'm not saying yes, I'm not, but the social advice, on my back. I'm going to investment. That's what I'm about. But I said, I will make money. Then I will make me a too. I'm an agency, consumer protection agency. Yes, because I'm so all bad. Every year, you who could put a side and go fully. I'm not based on your research and some more the best record. Advisor, medium.
Yeah, that's a break of capital, no advice. I contact you. Abrokyire Nkommo Masuguso Amutie no yene enua bema e bibia Kofi Capital Consumer Protection Agency. I think say a consumer side na opese ye dey call protection any you know. No can be say I think say footprint but maka say agreement normally ya na font nusa anase ye nchechire mu ye eno echire no etimi be ye asembebre eno ka ho asem say
for Kofi Capital oboniama mensaso
right
waka dollar pricing
right
and also fine print and I feel okay locations once
right
now dollar pricing and now or say
Ghana no near yenye the citizen
man no
yeah
ampa nanka sana ke say you know and maybe a trim sana na developers mo musi dan no yeah yen ni sidan obi ni sidan ye man boka yeah financial institution
right
but only developers ne kasa omo musi dan no
right
ado quantity omo yen dollars ne say so we sit down from timer obeto asase a obe start brochures to timer obe sit down na wie no ne bia enche kra bia 24 months
right
36 months
right
na we Ghana city over the past 36 months maybe akọ 1990
yeah
obo no in cities by now quite changing the bear 20 times
okay
because ene 4.1 echna 4.2 echna 3.9 into $1 dollars let's just say ejina fa kope prekope dollar value in the nsesa o hwe so ampa
eba form am beti so am me dey
oh say only make dinama developers no
almost eba form a 2 cities and as eba form a 75 e kosra a 75
ni bo no eba se obitua a cedi equivalent of dollar amount ninti say draw not cedi na ba form the obitua na obitua
yeah
but just what must say and one say no kro women say Ghana say omo musi dan near man fan for Abrokyire neighbor okay with the exception of bia cement credit for Abrokyire neighbor it do aggregates ni bia anwia ni bia near kakra na abeji no kroma they can na tiles na can no import into omo ingredients no for baby neighbor into dollar ne kan ho a no into omo pricing in dollars say be ya ehia say omo flyers no marketing material no and then 405,000 cedis echna 505 obeti san na fi omo bi offer letter which means say no
okay
into a contract me ma offer letter na because say 400,000 cedis we entered into a contract really beka into no chain say cedi no e from a oda say my cedi na ma be so na me ho akodim into developers are first no month side na se no fa omo ho achiro mama se nkofo gina omo so dendenden e kan se omo si dan farm omo at some old city rate omo ntimi nsi eno na wo intene the first one na for kan fine print say o to ade aya na about the terms and conditions.
Yeah.
Just Nema say be a meton diamond, name then meton maui, say it here.
Yeah, work Casapi, see agreement.
Agreement. An agreement to me the more. You're trying to pay also. There say who are water diner now who enter into agreement we and so yeah. Oh, lawyer down for be another question say Mira. Crata win and best. What you know what I'm saying?
Right.
No kind, no true. They won't be no kind true. Advice pan or they no.
Yeah.
Nipa fan to a diner. Indenture the moment. Omon kind.
Right.
Obu you have no assigning as an ordinary say team so. Agreement no and na indenture no ya true name piwo. Ebi wo ha ya true no mu say. A diner water no. Lease e de ma no. 20 years.
Okay.
Into the else water dine on to dine a lease.
Right.
20 years to so a san call asasi raho.
Right.
Sa pepe ni atronum.
Right.
Ebi wo ha ya true say 40 years.
Yeah.
Ebi wo ha true say 99 years.
Yeah.
Into say all kind out here say. Ebi wo ha ya true say consent to assign. Eno che say dine the water.
Right.
Na ba se da chi bia opese oton ma obi a.
Right.
E se wo kọ omo auto asasi ni free omo ho na kọ sere omo say asasi omo ton ma wo no. Opese also ton ma obi. Nti omo ma kwan na ye. Omo ma kwan a untimi nton.
Right.
Omo ma kwan na se utua kakra mo. Nti conditions ni piwo.
Right.
Na say nyebo ha say nkyere wa hu.
Yeah.
Nti nya lawyer be na da kwetche ni say won hwe no won ka de won bia nkyere no ma yi terms and conditions na o ka ho.
So wo sika no na ukọ akoto dan no. E so onya lawyer.
Lawyer no chiro mu say.
Aha. Na china bi no wan ka say mentia say afa na ko hwe lawyer.
Okay. Sa pepe.
Right.
Because obe na be 30 years na so.
Right.
Na fe asasiru abase o mira meje masase. Wo de peja dan no ko na masase de me pese me de ma me wo fa ase. Hona abun say o kind de wo krata no so anka abun say sa na che. Nye sa fe na bia woni no court. Third one o kind no location.
Right.
Say bia asase no wo baby.
Yeah.
Na marketing material no asheda ka say o eni ye ho na wo.
Right.
E wo baby foforo.
Right.
We dey snam say kind na wo Apollonia City. Omo GPS and Google Maps no. Omo kwa omu say dan wo ho ayesi.
Right.
Na mestre say wo Abrokyire na person to dan a pe unua bi ana wadanfo bi ana obi a wo trust no. Next man is won kohwe no twa pictures no ma GPS aí no. Na wa call internet so na the internet we are saying or twa o ma GPS coordinates na and if I say Jack where are you?
Yeah.
Or the mawa o ko abon say wo ho pepe obo bi dan no. No measure distance from baby a unimo Accra na Kumasi ana Tame. Baby a fu say we familiar with. Obo say ewo e ben ana e ben.
Yeah.
Inti na the side no de any say a problem bio. First nana who Abrokyire ka say ato asase a won maybe ewo.
Yeah.
And then me ma GPS coordinates na. And so it means 10 minutes from Tetekwashi and now 20 minutes.
Right. Okay. You share maybe to say terms and conditions no. Dan bi wo ho ase da o kan no. Me beto a met my extension.
Yeah.
And now me need right say my extension. Ho no mo ho no bi wo ho sa.
Ho no to me extension.
Right.
E bi wo ha water dino cry I sure say expandable. Just say I should see 1 bedroom said actually be an old back one menu back home. Just
I said it down.
Yeah, designing the say. In fact, you have design of diner be can home. I just say open so in the 3 bedrooms are designing. Fabica homes ultimately 2-3 bedrooms. That's a simple amount. You have to for architecture.
Right. Just in the plan work ya to home.
Yeah.
Until be a my just 2 bedrooms now, but future be an one who dear person you become one. This is the site plan I bet my ya can home. I feel I call approval be a Debbie. Me feel I'm be call town council as a district akwa approval.
Debbie.
Yeah, in fact I stop working me bon home.
Debbie. In fact, say more gated estates the ana time
stop
work because I'm planning who you that.
Oh, okay. No, obi room not the red paint in bad yeah, stop no gate. I could have final dear now beka actually meti for efa some mortgage ya. Ebe to obi akoma say sise de Ghana no. Me from sika come akunta jokra. Me a me call banking system. Money banks ni bi wa manone a GHL bank eno more link say betima ko sa bank no ho na omo no ma ye nkita ho ama otimetua every month ato account no na cha de beto Ghana account no mu
Ghana International Bank was our arrangement no London.
Okay.
na nipa no fan ya no mpeso mutua my direct
okay
baby mo bia no mpeso mo send sika no my direct obi
so
oh ya mo account details no ma send aba obi oso a wo Abrokyire ne bia woni mo bi Ghana ono hia sika wa Abrokyire nto no disika no to nipa kro account mo ho a na nipa kro so disika no account mo and say a balance
we dey fire ne ayi ni obi a no
and e be ma account details now dey at sanity na wo Abrokyire dia the mechanic say first na wo Abrokyire a itimika so Ghana sa sibi da baby fasika bra nyen toma ene de GHL bankaba enti o freya no access asasi we na mpese meto ni boy sen
okay
ahenna modme mama mebo mama de ato na che say eno wa chetua na bosia de mawo no wetua ne kakrakra enti samre na nkrofo disika mane nkrofo si bia momfa nya mo project mamia na momfa nkoto dan minya doc atwam me stress bibia ni amomfre no mu ni enkasa your branch Otema your branch Otakrade your branch Kumasi ibi wakra baby amobia no bitimi ahwene no aye adwuma you cover the whole Ghana baby a dine will be and which my friend no na yana in prebi no we be sama no be freelance na ba no free America about you made sika ma obi so on to asase so in the bus nti afi na me ba mo ho
okay
yana ya uti ne say ya because I say ya yin adwuma ye ya ma message na nkwa chire nti mefa u station ni akwanya de ama me na ma sre Abrokyire phone na say bibi ni omon free
okay
na adwuma ye ya no
yes see numbers ni so bio and my 0302 770 522 and osama yen mo website Biju Home Biju Homes GH BIJOUHOMESGH.com
Biju Homes GH
and now open my email so info@Biju Homes GH okay but we need WhatsApp and Abrokyire phone here WhatsApp ne pa WhatsApp number ben and on betimi afre esiso and I say phone number and any network number bia obetimi afre mobile number so because we will be obefre nwumre na office 020 it's can okay nya bia WhatsApp number bia
me den so account ho
yo okay when we say next week you better the last episode of more into details of one more qualify for the home loans because obi wan pay no come me then they pay below 1,000 Ghana to me baby
they pay below 1,000 Ghana ye betimi ahwe asase ana projector no ho beso ni ahwe ama no
right
obo ha obeka they pay 1,000
right
but over time any side business you can want be above 1,000
right
I feel so ultimately their friend joint application
okay
and it just say okay and I'll be in
right
with me cabo no matter
right
into their combinations pure white me hena it me numbers ne work so you can never see any 19 boy I can say also rampage with you unqualified
nti sa kope adwuma kakra bi ka ho na otima qualify
sa pepe but depending on how where the because be and pay 1,000 who be so you overtime but see be our sound side business be or running Uber na be nti can never see any and above 1,000 na be o high bit me idea boa no
right
nti so bani no can you the bit me
nti do pa che me and say so obi ba no kuta how many percentage are ultimate qualify say more maybe the 10% but I'm bet mama me die and I made the 50% but now
e be na dan boss dan boss I say dan here okay example so dan here 100 move of capital say dan $100,000 and below
yeah
it mean 100% for more Ghana no Abrokyire phone can we Ghana for us na making
okay
but Abrokyire so by now crat 25 and 30% it mean 70%. Into bia ne dia. To buy your circumstances near can't just way see a bit me about. But still I'm seeking no and yes sika no kwani important one. The fact say oh to dan e Ghana.
Right.
Uni ha.
Yeah.
Uni momo to asase na ma.
Yeah.
Shedan hwe documents ni ye. Maybe adan no kra ba na bia on maybe e wo. E ho terms and conditions na onim.
Yeah.
Into e ho be ban fa so say ubenya partner o Ghana. When any better dine, partner ni GHL bank. That's the most important thing. Because here, and Abrokyire for fan Sabe, on which me a room mortgage of more than one brooch, no Canaba. Now, Bana better dine we need the documents in Sean Sema. A honor se be a dine out toy and a beer, zoning no, and I be biario. Name ye see Kaka home dear, because ye see a commono, ye bear search in now, you bear survey, report to be a better saying a dynasty. Now, be or wha, as such my back country listen, dine we. Efe dear, name ye survey no, saying ye who ye, you won't say be a Dachi Biano, government. Obesi factory and now obesi motorway afa say more anyone so say na more for say mo down
that say La Paz udu La Paz da bebre ho no ma government na so bubu they say na ho bo anso ni ti na o ma sa pache ho
edru
ho say o mo ba be fly over na e be ka da be 5 no na ndem mbo mu
enti sanet enti we na bia kwa original map of Accra na ya try to OPV say Hana motorway ni da they say since I see pure hwa that chi bia honde bana Ghana government mi nya sika ombe kwan atum to be na ho na wodan ni see it is that information we na no yes section survey e dedi na ya kan tro right edu na person wo to dan no dey because e dey kan sika yeah sika kan
and that's bebre ye papa ye Kojo Adokofo and Edin Nkommo of free GHL Bank and Ghana Home Loans and a buy or ye co-founder, chief executive business and an initiator Edin Nkommo. Now just say you record different site of Omu Jumedia or Mudi na the person make say Ghana opa Pomodiane Brian High Court. Neko Land Court 3 in the 6 in Nasefo. Said the nipe soon. Ewo hono no lawyers ni de omunya hwe judges ni nya hwe ba menu mienu ye nya abotre amfa sika na nkoto ba bia se de 20 no ne ye ho akire ye wa brochire nyina ne ye nto da amfa sika nkohye ni Pansem Street ye mortgage ya e bia bagana memma wo awo no an e de wo no sweater wo sweaty underground train na wo nemu all the time any bia mentimi nka ni nyina wo afidie so e ma se sika no enye kwa Bomodian any GHL Bank any Ghana Home Loans Emoebra na mesesi number no subio 030 277 0522 na any womo any kita ho 24 hours number etino Bomodian ne frɛ womo na no mu kita ho ye de dwumadi ne dikan ebesi wa ha ye wi a ne eye birth and death registry and pay for so ofidie mu ha ye bedin komo afa yen bibia ye frɛ no say birth certificate and death certificate akwantufoɔ bebre adwene sɛ ɛho hia Ghana for adwene sɛ ɛho hia edru sɛ Ghana ni yɛka sɛ kɔfa birth or death certificate ebra ebe gbibia the bresi death certificate kra de ho hia nipa no wu kɔ ejapade bebre na aka court ye hu death certificate di be dia dance se eye wo dia bebre na wa kontuo mu a omoja pade aka wa ha papa di amano maame di amano nanso oni death certificate a ode kwa akɔgye sai japade no akodi obi ho mum yenya yesu ade ne production yenko.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Vodafone X and the Vodafone Icons bro. And Vodafone Icons are sound biom. And the moment for no sudi nya we ala ne ne day. And sina solar, what in ne a kan wakoma. And I wosu owa obia animu. Nanso ochire betuma ye wo a ubetuma be ye icon. Bejire mo ma wo man tem wo Icon Street edition mu. Opeso obeka audition yi ho a. And no ne say obe dial *4353#. Ne di ani abetinu achi. Na wayi bia ya opeso wo gina wo manemu no. E wo so. Emredu. Say wo so be so microphone no mu. No wo kire judges no. Ni obetumi aye.
The future is exciting. Ready?
Charlie, you can now get rich without moving an inch. Yeah, MyBet.com continues to make betting super easy. Bet now on your phone. Simply browse MyBet.com. Log in and select your preferred game. Click the place bet button and bingo! Don't forget, you place your bet from your mobile money account. Simple, eh? MyBet.com. Winning with ease.
Fire for Fire Gala Ghana. When you're ready, Fia Basso den. Agent Fia Ayo Ja. Namekaiwo, Asempa from Alpha Consona Guasoba. I am back to back. Yatsiri Kufu. Yabasam, Entitamu Chuku. I feel that I can so much backward. Either I can so much backward.
After 2 outstanding mini-fairs to help you take that leap to own your own home, the 2018 Joy News Western World Properties Habitat Fair comes off this September at the Providence Event Center, adjacent Autochill Trade Fair. It is to help you navigate the daunting but highly rewarding process of buying a home, or for those of you homeowners, spec in that lifetime investment to your taste and preference. The Joy News Western World Properties Habitat Fair will bring together finance houses, construction firms, real estate developers, dealers in furnishing, and many more. The event kickstarts from Friday 21st September to Sunday 23rd September 2018 at the Providence Event Center, adjacent Autochill Trade Fair from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. The Joy News Western World Properties Habitat Fair 2018 is brought to you by Western World Properties. Live your true comfort. Elegant Homes and General Construction, where you live your dream. Zenith City, the new airport city. Fortune City Estate, not just a home, but a safe investment. Castle Steel Structures Limited. Dream it, we build it. JL Properties, the city's favorite developer. DBS Roofing, roofing Papa Pafi. MNC Properties, a choice of class. Rockstars Roofing, an energy commission, unlocking Ghana's renewable energy potential. Joy News Habitat Fair 2018, affordable housing for all.
For Medin Day, Pastor Bernard Amankwa. Shia me kwesieda ebay ene kwesieda biara 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Yenshia ewo Asempa FM 94.7. Ewo Jumedia Yatunidin Asempa Sanctuary. Eho ni ebedim paye. Yesuya onyame nasem. Ubenya akwenya so afre. Na wo de wade srede ne yaji onyame edi se nanim onyam bedadi ewo bibi biara yede beto nanim. Eye Asempa Sanctuary ewo Asempa FM. Kwesieda ebay ene kwesieda biara. Yenshia.
Tell what got on ye dear to please. Mother please 6 months in Ombabusa ni pay wuro a dosso sin on Munyanko and so a mantin a jare bida when you apro and midina.
Oh, Etonia, and we million what call Libya at Titibu and Penny say at Chenemuya, you was a baby mom and you will Kubia by a pro Ghana German Center for Jobs, Migration and Reintegration Advisory Center. When a Jumetic to power back when I say, give me more on call Libya as I'm beefy, and it won't pour a word in that was on the Libya. Bet you want drink abysses to say a poor baby and Zako on Center Honor and penny for you before entity you and when you're in San Duma Ayua, but you're on the 4 hour one cast woman, and you may be to say agriculture, mechanic, catering, carpentry, and some of you beer when you home and penny for better to am I on the 4. Maybe you're gonna near your woman, when you say Kuntukan and Chiana Quintino. Here is our fresh Ghana German Center for Jobs. Open 130 Independence Avenue, Accra. From 0556 758518 and 0556 758516.
Asempa 4.7 Mosofoko Kwamankwa Akuntejo Sedem Sikai no Yene DHL Bank ene Ghana Home Loans pay for Abrokyire Nkommo every bebre ene busa eye WhatsApp line no patch for our true dia natural omo WhatsApp line is 0546 403 074. Mrs. Subiu 0546 403 074. Medebato a Facebook page or numbers no not my friend no name page for Abrokyire Nkommo. So this kind of dia sem de ama Abrokyire for bebre and about phone to ye papa a Emmanuel Butchie free birth and death or no and a year assistant registrar in charge of IT Papa Mwakwa Badoba Asempa 4.7.
Major also a content and I miss so far a hassle chow tea for you now.
Yo, Pamcho Bebre, Mamun Butchie no or encreninti or the chino or wɔka sɛ mamo fa me ndi agorɔ a anaa memfa wo ndi agorɔ a na sɛ ɔne wo ndi agorɔ ne no ano no bisa botwe yɛka sɛ birth certificate anaa death certificate a ɛyɛ de adeɛ
yo me nua me da wase yɛka birth certificate ho asɛm a birth certificate yɛ adansedeɛ krataa a yɛde ma awofo sɛ ɔma wo ba abɛka ɔman no ho ɛno nso kyerɛ sɛ woaba ɔman no amanneɛ sɛ woawo ba abɛka ɔman no population ho ɛna death certificate ɛno nso yɛ adansedeɛ krataa a yɛde ma abusuafoɔ ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ade hyɛ bi aka beebi anaasɛ wafi mu ɛno nso kyerɛ sɛ wabɛbɔ aban amanneɛ sɛ na yɛde hye ka yɛn ho nanso wafi mu
na mewo anaasɛ bebusuani wo na sɛ wantwerɛ abɔfra ne din a susuaso bi wɔ hɔ ɛma me as ɔba awofoɔ no susuaso bi wɔ hɔ ma yɛ anaa
ensusuaso no deɛ bebree ansa mɛyi saa asɛm ya ano no bɛsɛ mɛma tiefo nyinaa te aseɛ sɛ registration ɛyɛ vital tool for a nation's development
ne twi yɛ sɛ
ne twi no yɛsi vital tool a ɛte sɛ wonua aduane a nkyene ne mu wo sɛ nkyene nya kɔ aduane mepɛ na ne dɛ ayɛ fine nti ɛyɛ vital tool registration ɛyɛ vital tool yɛyɛ registration boa ɔman ne mpunto adwuma socio-economic development because ne process no yɛ gather data data na yɛ gather ne sɛ owo ba na o register yɛanya statistics say within the year no yɛn afi no bɛbɛ wie yɛaho nkwala dodo a yɛawo mo aba bɛka ɔman no ho population no ɛwɔ mia bebree wow na nsusuaso a ɛwɔ ho ne sɛ yɛ wowo ba na wantwerɛ ne din a ɛde nsusuaso bebree ɛbrɛ aban no
ebi ne deɛ
ebi ne for example recently free education aba so yi awofo nya kwan ma ɔmo ba the because yɛ need data no wɔ hɔ yɛ nim nkwala dodo a ọmọ bẹ kan ọmọ ẹni hu ọmọ adu saa age na ọmọ bẹ wie school ọmọ bẹ kọ ọmọ enim yẹ ni data no wọ hɔ nti yɛ estimate normally no yɛ estimate ɛde yɛ saa nneɛma ɔbɛ hu sɛ mmerɛ no bɛ do ana abroso yɛ ho nti registration no yɛ very very important ɔwɔ na wa register na kyerɛ sɛ wadi akora na abro bebree because na kyerɛ sɛ akora no ni identity number one aban ne nim say sa akora ya wo no the right to a parentage no wadi na akwala no the right to a name wadi na akwala no nti akora no nam keke a obia name ni identity
na sa akora ndo nam fi ho ye boni din
ye bonu din ba sebio onya wo ba oto no din ba sebi hospital akora no beko no enye wo na obesi suku akwala no beko no enu so enye wo na obesi nti se wa register akwala no ama ban nya data no e dey plan ama akwala na chese wa dey akwala na bro
nti na so na o ka se e wo yen so no na se me obatan na se me owofo no akwala no ankasa no de akwala se me nkwa na minim no oman ni nimu no community ni enimu no ena onam wiase se aso ka ho onka ho ebeduru se opa adwuma afri aban ho anase opa bibi school akono na afe na aban ne be hu no ntino wo se bia wabroso
na che se aban ne nya hyehyeye bia ma sa akwala no afi so niame de beso so ne se child trafficking asemia ebaya ye kan owo ba na one register no na obi trafficking akwala na ye be na identify akwala no aban won ho say emra no kire say
obi wia obi ba e de na kɔ baabi a enam sɛ akora ni adansidie krata bia nipa no krata mi ka sɛ ye ne dia osusu ni adansidie a kire sɛ ye wo dia
nti wo akora no na wo register it establishes the identity of the child and it gives the child the right to parentage.
Right.
Because the birth certificate no so no ye track akra ne dia ode bema no ya tro wosu. Data ye de wo no ya tro wosu.
Right.
Akra ne biological mother edin wosu. Ni biological father edin wosu.
Right.
Hospital kwa ye wo akra no edin wosu.
Na man wo no hospital so e.
Wa wo no hospital so be bia ye wo akra ne bia ye register no.
E wo fie.
Yeah, G house number no, the location the delivery happen no, and also one statistics implication.
Right.
Nti ye church on same nyina ye to me nkwala dodo aye wo mo fie, nkwala dodo aye wo mo ebia kwan so aye call hospital.
Right.
Nkwala dodo aye wo mo maternity homes. Ne nyina ema aban no ye nhihye ma ne we nyina. Say your registration no na ye hu say
ye hu kwado do a ye wo mo kwan so na say ambulance kwado do say na say
yenya wa ho ye hu nkola dodo wo fie a eba ne say na say nkola dodo anya ye wo mo fie
na say hospital me
ho right na ya church nkola ne din a ye benya sa statistics no na aye den say aban no so betumi aye nhihye ama nkronkra omonhia mia omonhia moa
right. Right.
Right.
Yembra eje obo bibidi ewo edin na ye de hihye so no ene bebia ye wo mu ne ye no. Yembra enrechi. Eye ministry, eye local government and the rural development. Ene semtro for ye hia. Na mo de ensempo bi betudwa. Pese uti ho edin pa poti ene ma mo frɛ Ghana for pese mo ye ti birth and death. Mutim po a say mu de si ho na mafamu abusa wo questions bi
ayo me da se pa me nua birth and death registration ye sha se wo Ghana achepa ye sha se 1888 achepa sa mre no na emra British no colonize ye no
right
omo sha se eye death registration no say amrofo ni de omo de kratasem na ye djuma nti omo ba ha colonial masters na omo ba ha omo fifififi mom no say omo nya dansede krata de kom krom say ampa oba ye no wa fimu nti omo shase with death registration
right
because krata no kono krom na afi benefits be why say to ama na ebusu afro ana na ma wo ho no na omo tumi a process sa benefits no
right
until 1912
Asempa
and omo di birth registration eso be kan ho no
right
sa time ni nyina 1888 be prem 1912 no
right
then go coast no
right
na che say Ghana ni bia ni won kwan say ye wo na be register
okay
the registration na omo ye ni nyina na ye bibia omo te no coastal areas na omo ye omo trade no is within the colony
okay
and omo yes registration no in 1912 omo the birth registration be kan ho no afi omo ma ho kwan say we indigenous
right
to me I register be
right
now the fortunate or unfortunately a buy and they say 1st September 1912
okay
Ghana near the kaya ye throne edin ye wo no oye nkran ye friend no chocho o hwe krata ni ma edin aye de register akra ni ye chocho
right
eda ye wo akra no aye throne edin say Ghana need the first registration like call humemo no
right
anche ebe do enwumre no na akra no so efrem nti ye register ni birth and in the death
the same day
1912 1st September 1912 into September bia birth and death registration ye see or say ye be sensitization ye friend no a birth and death registration month
okay
ye body through a car birth certificate home home fast death registration home fast
okay
ye the sensitization and ye mass registration so ye call emiambia krokro mo nkwala na mo ndi afia ye register mo no ye boy ye omodi and say we will reach out to them to have them capture
okay bebra two questions be birth certificate is metua first of all now wo me ba no me de ne ba metua ska
ontu ahwe ye wo mo ahoro mienu aban afa ho ka say akra bia ye bewo no fitida ye bewo no kopem time akra no benya 12 months eye free of charge
it's a 1 year no
akra no nya 1 year ma ne bro so 1 day and the ho ka wo ho betua ma wo akra no ene ekopum da the day akra no benya afe which is the 12 months of the child no registration no aba fa wo kan nyina free of charge
free
of charge
bi obeko bia won tu eske
bia free me fa wo fidie so ma o man ni nyina nti se
o pa che se
akra bia ye be wo no fiti da ye be wo no ko da obenya 12 months registration no ye free of charge first no it was 21 days
okay
o akra na 21 days say o ye ne na wadakra mano
right
but ye share mo we took into consideration your cultural backgrounds we say families be wo ha ye wo akra na ye shut down to no day immediately
right
ABS AG edeno fini na na bi ho
right
and ani na na bi we na ni na bo ye be ho akra na anya be 6 months 9 months are only din
right
into you consider nyama nyina na ye ba somewhere 2004 ye ni aban ye nhihye ho say ebenya omo extend free period no 12 months into 2004 e ba nyina akra bia ye wo na free of charge from day 0 to 12 months
nti o pache se obi wo kasapen na se echina owo na odi be 6 months na okọ district one ma na okoye ne bade a free ontua teku kapre
ontua kapre
na mum onya 1 year plus se no betua
onya 1 year plus ehun hihye no tenten kakra onya 1 year plus the fee no yeji no 10 cedis but answer na obeba betua 10 cedis no enkrata bebre wo ha se oye wo awofo no obekọ court akoye declaration say wo ba want to me anye no within the free period na bind the ama wo no nti ye declaration say akra no ye wo ba nti want to me anye during the free period no nti sre best and debt registry no say omo register sakra no ema wo sakra ta na obeye ne nyina ho ka de ema ye ho
ema mo ho endo ba koye no court
obeye uye sakra ta ne nyina awie na oba ye ho a akra no nya within after 1 year coping 5 years
okay
10 cedis
okay
by mo 1 year na 5 years twemu na chese obo no ekosoro
okay
after 5 years coping 18 years 20 cedis
okay
nti 1 year na onye ba no
na
ne ho eka no ekonenim kakra
okay okay say documentation na say me de weighing card ba mo beje
yes
after 1 year no
after 1 year
no yes court na wo kan na me de weighing card ba mo beje
weighing card no enu ni adanse de krata say wa wo akora no wow into obi obeye ne birth ne bar registration no yeji what we call evidence of birth
okay
evidence of birth no trace akora no weighing card
okay
sese aye wo me na akra bia ye wo no fie kra ye ne corpus mental care
right
na help for issue weighing card amano into weighing card no that's the krata trace ampa wa akora no ni mami din ni papa din ni owo no wo
hospital we na say
facility we na say owo no hospital into uba ye nchen a krata ye di kan ye bisa wo no ni akora no weighing card
right
akora no weighing card ni wa ye to me ko feda ebisa mami no antenatal record card
okay
because ye pese ye sure say akra na oba be cho ne din no eye wo
na oba no
no
okay yem run the third stage obi after 18 obi okra o be 45 years 50 years was mba be ye me nye bi da send pa no so tu asen
my main can say send your registration share ase wo oman ye mo no e ba le say indigenous no be brave wo ha mo ka kire ayan to me antro mo din nti the law now establish birth registration e ma on kwan say yen late registration
right
na che say omo amanya hu kwan through no fault of them yan to me antro mo no nti when you cry oba you to me register wo and so process no but say obi awanya 40 years uso go for evidence of birth eba na ye insane bebre and also na yenya a lot of challenges and also na nkofo bebre ba omo to me kind of cre I mean oba na ebia wa beti ni age so na wa ma information bi afa ne ho Osi onko ye declaration background to menya declaration no the ba pepe. But yeah, no, because the requirement requires that once our year declaration ewo court ye ji moto say ye ji tumo say
if you court
no die asema wo kan ye no kre na ye di aye krata ni bia ma wo.
Yes, asemba mo ni hwe ka bio. Yo, yemra you know, me the press na mo ye no. Dear pote pa na mo pese Ghana 40.
Yeah, me the press na ye no. The theme is early birth and late registration, a key to a credible identification system.
Okay.
Not just say, we are emphasizing on early. Not just say, events no okay, now our money.
Okay.
Obosa money na, yet to mean your data, edit planning on annual basis.
Okay.
Now say one register events no immediately it occur. Now you're late in the day. On say every year be aban ye programs and activity,
right.
Or ye budget, nearby education, nearby health, nearby infrastructure, linear maniama. It is aban ya data at the end of the year. Say in kwala say na ya wa beka population ho, and at this number of say ena ewu afimu kwa. On say it's like account forward 10 debit and credit.
Okay.
In Kwalano, your woman, I try more famous a woman. Until the 10 be abandoned name the total population.
No.
And I send a registration system. No one, a register or district events. No, SCA.
Right.
Into district by district. No, you name the district population. Colorado do I warm. And almost a film.
Right.
In that any given in time, no, not district was just a planning.
What the mechanic say, and young cry ya woman na ya yukrana, just a nipa ya woman, and nipa every money. It's a bed do busume, it means a crow nipa do any a woman, and a nipa beer and so a free. It is say and our population aquakudu. Not ya so they are planning baby.
Okay, they are planning baby.
Right. Opinion say a banisa yet is a moka bibi say change of name. Mostly say there no change of names. A dintra.
Oh, me say yes sir and I cano.
What can I say?
Niaye can say change of name, everybody has a right to change your name. Once in your lifetime. You have the right to change your name. But
full name?
No. You have the right to change your name in a way. Ebi aye wo no yama obrofodin. Ba onye no wakobosu ana say yama obrofodin pese oni beka odin na odin nyina dimu. Yetume yesa ana say yama odin bia onye no wan tro odin nyina ntu pese obeyi din ni bi afemu. Eno so yema won kwan. Ni aye ma won kwan say edin a wo tro no obepipa ni nyina edit another set of names. Eddie Abesheho. And yenye mao. If you want to take a new name, you are at liberty to take a new name. Once you take that new name, you go and do a gazette. You go to court, you do a declaration,
right.
Then you go and do a gazette that with effect from this date, you wish to be known and
not on your
birth certificate. It is a change of status. No. You have a status.
Right.
Only to say oba ya wo na wa ware wa be Mrs. It's a change of status.
Okay.
Ye wo no ye man din.
Right.
Only ansa na ohia obema na oba opese one no ware. E na omo ware ye. O ware ye ni status asisa.
Okay.
Wa be Mrs. Akonta. Opese Mrs. Akonta no ontro.
Okay.
On sam ba ye ho.
Oh,
and because say or your Mrs. Akonta enti edi ayede man on nkwala bremo obe ye fi ho ene Mrs. Akonta na sheho emra ma on kwan sa
mitwasi na matifo betie we ya say nya wo a edi papa no ma me de ato no you don't need to come back to birth registry and now say birth and death registry ho so oba besisa edi no no you have to go and do gazette. Now all the din start here free ho. Let's still birth certificate is still valid.
It's still valid.
And once what that touch your gazette.
Gazette.
eti oma ko church mu din different wo e be a bank or could be a bank account ni din e be your papa de wo no e ye kwaku amankwa right afa oko university no wakwa akọchoro no kwaku agimai this amankwa ne agimai ne mu de he na ye wo no a eti saa no saa di na ode aye bebrebe ni ya ye gazette ye ntino e ma no nye
right ye gazette ye no uko presenti sakrata ni nyina emu ne wo he ne wo
right
they it's not identifying you
right
ye wo no wa oda krata e kan se odi kwamankwa onye a oko school no wako fadin foforo bia to so se odi kweku agima so eba ni se okoye bibi na o present document we nyina emu ne wo he ni because kweku amankwa ni kweku agima e two different people
right
into pese we use krata e nyina obekwa akọ gazette
right
edin ni nyina ansana adimu
na make say bia gazette no me beye no this month but me din no start say wo me and me go school 1985 and I'm the kwajima no so ye na me ko gazette ni na so ni me no be valid
ni say in the gazette no there's a caveat in every gazette o really gazette yeah when say ya trust say ebia so asimasi say ni din the say but say opese your friend no say with effective a certain date and that all documents bearing the former names still hold valid.
Also birth cert no any school certificate no date no was ni na ebia 85 and 86
yeah
okay but me ko gazette ni na me de 86 die no koya still valid.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, it say all former documents. Oh, candidate of birth for us.
Make a name no first.
Name no the o gazette no. Bible say you have different date of birth. Ebia yawo no ya register.
Right.
You see date of birth ni.
Ebia 80.
Ebia 1980.
Right.
Ebia 1st January 1980.
Na masa kwasisa kwa ma no so akoye
no different. Oh yes sir. Mram ma kwan say to me chill. Edi wo demra. Naturally say you are impersonating character.
Okay.
We say I mean that is not part of the topic for today. Nti me pese e be komo next time no ye be church.
Okay. Ye hwe mo hono no che say metimi ma mesisa medin ni total.
No.
Na mo metima be addition.
Betimi abe additional name and so be yi be efim.
Okay. It be 3 names are. Person ye 2 names are metima be yi ba kwa free. Ye 2 names and person man ye 3 names are metima ba na mo be aka
6 names kra na obe so de be kan one.
Ye de be kan
ye de be kan mam. Emmom uye sa we a eno ano no.
Metimi me change
bio. Oh, unto me in Sawechi in Basse. Ube
oh, that's a enrich na me person me de third one ne be kan but me sakwa me hu se hu hia me be change.
Emra ma kwan sa.
To me change one say
yes, and unti ube ya, ye ma we declaration. Once you've declared under the law, say udi kweku amankwa ube say odi mensa be kan odin wakoye declaration ni nyina empre bibre no nipa bebre fa affidavit to say ordinary document be our moye wahu but it's an oath that you are taking. Once you swear the affidavit under oath odiaba say ubesisa wodin odidin bi ba be kan wodin ho a yenya yema wo ewie a eno ano no untumi nsa we chin be kan say affidavit na okoso ye no wa twantro enti wo sa besisa biu.
Okay. Bien hwe say more a year ye pese kasese aye ye visa efa sa birth certificate no. A dear now bit my advice Ghana for afa birth certificate and visa acquisition and only the topic and the person now we church we mu ntino. A dear now bit my kafa the man nipa bebre ho chire wo mo e birth certificate ho e visa acquisition.
Menu amida sipa it was a question and bebre no ye nuane mo Abrokyire nyina we need the biggest challenge they face because of multiple identification and multiple sets of data on their documents. A pen baby made your how be brave. Once a brofo dear, and I see dear crata no dear Juma.
Okay.
Crata or the be mana or be can say crate any and no the bay Juma. And a brofoso, him say a colebia yawuna in term, as I say, ye beef registration, manu.
Right.
Obusu film in term of say ye deaf registration, emanu. Sabio, ube to me the Aqualaco embassy. Say Obanino. But as a dear crata bena, a crowa, a trace aquana or the abano ampa or yaoba.
Right.
And as a dear crata and a birth certificate.
Right.
Sabio, uti Abrokyire na webusa ni biaka baby, I'll say Obisa Kwai eba. Brofo oko kache na adansi de krata ohiane e krata be na edi adansi ese ampa
nipa
na ewu and your relationship
with the person
right wow
right
bebre no who apply for visa the birth certificate play a critical role
right
because on the visa form the visa won send bebre
right
in same na omo visa won ewie no
right
say omo be ye cross reference
okay
omo penda adansi de krata e say data na odi ama no ampa
right
sebio ebia o ma wo ha o wa Abrokyire o be so be for omo ko nkwala no be certificate no na edi adansi say nkwala no ye won ba
right
because odin wo ho oyire din wo ho
right
akwala no din wo ho so there is a link
right
bebrebe no na akofa edin ho be edi amaye ho nti wo bo akra ne din kra there is no link between akra ne din and the parents no ne din ye baka wan asem later another time
right
nti brofo dia o de mana now obe check it say ni awacho visa form no so no sa na wo supporting document etia na
right
say enti sa pe normal raise queries
okay
afi omo be ye nhwehwemu nhwehwemu na omo ye obeye no so omo oji wo betu asasika na ye de be ye wa wo ho nhwehwemu no ene omo sika na omo de be ya ma wo
okay
empre bebre no ye ti Abrokyire sa circumstances ema ye niama bebre na ya sesa ye din ye pese ye sesa ye ma date of birth ye pese ye sesa ye ma din bebre na ye de aye krata bebre na bibia ye wonwura nti o de sa document no ko embassy ho e apply visa mankola na ko ye nsem
right
brofo be ye nhwehwem
yeto bruni no
ono de o de mana owo time
right
obekọ akwala no se akwala no ko school wo ha obesuma ma ya akọ akwala no school
okay
ye bedu school no so data e wa akwala no files no different
okay
na the insane bebra due to inconsistencies
and now mutime suma ma yeko villages no
bibia otibia mutime suma
abrewa na ote wo se wo maame no ti ye ne chakasi awo ye nkran ha ne omutime kosi achi wo wasemre na maame na kaso da bi mewu na fom ha o
yeah information all the mano very 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 important
right
very very important
enti ene na ya maame no moti ase ne de ese hwe ne ye
yeah
anye sakura afie ho kra e betima buso obi abuso say ampa kwakwa mankwa ya wonu so ya wonu bantuma fie we ye mu
yeah
ya wonu odwadwom
so krata crown no e kan
na so be kasa ye wo won kran
so see ye wo kolebu ye ko kolebu so akrata bi endi adanse wo ho say ye wo kolebu
na say no so mo kan ho be fende for registration ni bebre ho so amoso so no bo mo nye entry no na mo de amaye
empre bebre no on say nkwala ye wo mo ayeye mo ntem no the information is very
solid,
accurate.
Okay.
But omo anyin to say wa oti we wanyin. Say bi enye on phone so ya birth certificate ni bi amawa. O ba be birth certificate no. Information all dey maye no. Eno na ye hwe so. Edi aye because declaration all dey ba no. Ni wa ye nsema wa ka wo declaration ni mu a all dey ba no.
Right.
Eno so na ye be hwe ejuma no amao
right
employ bebrebe no yetumi ye random sampling check it
right
the background
right
but we are under resource we can't be checking on every single application
what's we are under resource
yes we are really under resource
obi amomo hwe Ghana ye dodo ne ye no muni no ma amode ye ejuma
ye woni amade bi wo ho aye de adwuma
but
endoso
ene se nurse na se bi ni ho
endoso ebi wo ho
na nurse na bi ni ho no mami musamo aye mo birth certificate no so the third year birth certificate call offices bi ti say passport office banks ni bi ti mi bisa schools ni bi ti mi bisa ye nim how far omoko into aye omutimi ka say omohwe ayi no so no no ma ba mienu mi ensa bi wo ho one o ma reject de ne mamutimi etimi reject yen ayi first mutimi ka say informant no enu nti mo reject de ne ma ne basa
niama bibre mani basa ye wo nipa bonifo wo kroma
right
omo ye sa niama no ma onse se bi Uganda for ye pekrata bia instead say be approaching institution no na me de man bia akotwa no kwan mu
right
fabra me ya ma o empre bebre so omo pekrata na omo pe no hihyehi enwani me ya na obi aka se o fabra metumi ya ma o na yakoye krata boni bi ama no se oni de onim na odeko ye be ye nhwehwani mu a na ya ho se ni okra no enye papa on the face of it. Now, okay, informant asemi informant ye obi a onim wa wo ho asem.
Right.
The first line of informant ye o mami ana o papa.
Okay.
Na se o mami ana o papa ni ho a we busani bi a owo ho a ye wo nim.
Okay.
We wa wo ho asem no.
Just say opanyin a wo fia we nim da ye wo.
Nim da ye wo nim wo ho asem no. Awo informant ema wo.
Right.
Ye no as a registry no. 1 year the 60 years cra oba we abofra we abofra ne say kwanso aye fade wo no unim
che wo fa bi na betimi a kire
obi na betumi a kire
ana wo siwa bi
yes
ana efiere bi wo obi ana midwife oje wa wo
yes and obema wa wo ho information
so ampa minim sa kwakwa mankwa ye wo no dey say
sure
ewo ha say ne papa din di say ne maame din di say
sa nipa ne din
ene edi be
hye as informant insem bi wo ha ye be bisa sa nipa ne na ye be bisa no insem ewo wo dakrata ho
right
na impen bebre wo ho a omo anya omo ye birth registration no omo nka no kre form omo awo ho
right
na se bi oni maame a waka baby ana ni papa a waka baby na ne din akoye informant. Or do embassy ho now our affiliate application form ho now our control say name mami aka baby on this date.
Oh,
me one no birth certificate yeah after that data or trace say name mami aka baby and ani papa aka baby.
Oh,
na ni mami and ani papa di wo ho say informant. No broni de odi man na obebisa o. O say what your visa form so say o mami aka baby this date. Eba ni say na o birth certificate o ma made in show
me chiremu ya yene ya nyini na etakoye late registration no
yeah
me maami anam papa na me makọ fill visa form no se wawu no owu bia 1970 a na me koye birth cert no e bia 2007 ya na me papa din akọhye ho as informant na me papa owu 1970 do so be ka kire registrar ne say
discrepancies
eno ye baako ena baby also am say baby e wo hospital ana efie ana baby a we can say e wo no any baby register or first eno so buta aka baby wo say baby a wo say e wo no just at time cra register any ho ana say muni office ho e so dey ahye so eno so ya mo kan say
so ye how baako a eba ya observe so how baako sebio empre bebrebe no ye pe krata de aye bibia ye twen amane ye emergency ana ni mani ya obi pe krata no na wade mreka say okoye adanside krata ode be ye na ejuma wow sebio ye nuanu ma omko nursing training every year bia nursing training form ya tro was to say birth certificate is a requirement nanso omo nye saa edu enne ne ochina obeko nursing interview no demerika gide
ene nursing for
ebe
police for ka
ho police for ka ho omo ko police omo ko military omo
fire service
bebre na akoye rush
enti ye wonu ningo kura na opese e kase wonu adabra
kolebu na omo nim say sansemi omo ka nyina ye run statistics the statistics will show that 90% of deliveries happen with kolebu abaya obeye nhihye ya all the best facilities no dey be kolebu what dey be kolebu because statistically on paper no be about say ye wo no kolebu me wa no so ebia midwife be chef and chiniko a oji awo a ohia facility na because nkrofon kan no kra fa baby aye wo mo nti sa midwifery no obewo sa under resource
there be next week e beto aso pa na mum first message be dey abrem or say I realized I was born in Ningo but my birth certificate the nurse used Kolebu as hospital wo me meet masesa place of
sure obeto me abesesa place place of birth na imom ansa na ye beye no odi adanside krata bebeba abekire say ampa ningo na ye wo na enye Kolebu want to me anya adanside krata enfan bekire ya ebeye din pass because krata ejuma na ye enye oral you hear evidence
mama Mr. Reko wa ye din no techire eja Reko ye mo akwa Mr. Reko. Okay. Mr. Reko ahoma no I think say come that next week there omo na beto questions na ma say ne wa be kan wo there next week nyame ya adom ne tinkwam a ye ende de pan me menka bi obi abeto questions na ma ene de would educate ye okay ye hwe ni say me ene ma wo me ba mostly no me come ma no omo na wo enkura no hospital no bia be ma no ese menje right no waja hoko me na ma wo ba na me yo ba na be ma no so onye no sa first year na o see you free no me be ya ise papa o se nyo no a most mo de asho say ye fa father name enhye ho e force
there be me fa wo fidie so kamenu ama na sebio emema ni mo fa ye fo na omodwane na omo awo omo anje nkwala no ema na nye ha bebre ema omo because nkwala na ya wo no na ehia ye kwan so aye fa ede wo akwala no ehia ye akwala no a ye ma no identity no any right to a parentage no eno na ehia ye titiri right eba no saa ye register san kwala no without the father's name column.
Okay.
Ewo implications bebre.
Okay.
Said you dachi bi papa ni basa obeja akola na.
Right.
Ye wo mra kwan so ayede no fa mama ne gitu mu a na e di ahyewo. Ba mistake bebre a yeso ya wofo no ya emboa ye ne se. Said you me ba koye nkwala boni sem no kofa efo ba yi owo akola ne pe na me eja no medin ahye abafra no krata so say akwara ne papa nim na legally no e kire say wo eja no wo de wo ba ayensen ama wo akwala wo akwara ne nana no wo de wo den ko hye oba ba ne ba birth so say o ne jana legally speaking no pa kire say
wo
na wo de ba na wo eno so ehun ensem wo ho bebre
right
nti ye man nyinsen na emema na angia ekwan so wo ho a ye de register san kwala no
ye de maame din betima hye ho
ye de maame din no hye ho ye de akwala din hye ho ye de akwala date of birth hye ho baby a ye wo akwala no ye de hye ho ye issue certificate ma akwala no ba papa column no ye ja ho
maja ho enti anytime bia edin be ba say papa no amamrem no ma ye bibia de
o ma ye bibia de
ne papa ne hye ho
ne papa ne hye ho eno ko ye court asem maame ne omo ye declaration Oni papa na waje to mu say akola no ye ni die no so be joint declaration. Omo nyina be sign declaration no and they both work together to the birth and death registry to sign another declaration.
Mebo edino say papa na anje. Na me maame no me di medi ahye ho. Akora no say name no. Eno so yebetima ye vacant.
No problem about that. Akora no edin bi amame ne pese ofa to akola no owo ho kwan so de beto akola no say akora no betro mame ni say name o whatever name omo de be ma akora no omo wo ho kwan say omo de be ma akora no right na dache papa no ba forward right no be ye ni amamre say oye omo ye omo declaration bibia omo nyina be kan bomu e de abaye office so
right na fe de akra ni real name na amano
yeah on person almost say akra ni din a ye betumi asesa
and no de akọ school they said the ken ya ni akọ gazette ana
yeah so that is the decision the parents will have to take we yes decision no more
education
yes decision
ma fa two calls be na next week yeah they say a common idea because birth certificate the baby entiase next week no ye ba ni asa ba death I just said no near the timidity assassin, yet timidity dan papa fee. Me dear say dear, Miss Akama dear straight. Because me
who register.
Send the one I'm about or register. And the soldier phone aqua a yen in 10. You come on so 03022165545. 03022165546. Offer for dinner maybe I can say free.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
But me didn't you make a matter.
It's you.
But the person of analysis said, in case of from our certificate, it then it is a say now face name and they say it can work share documents. So,
answer why? Answer. Also, bet my friend 030221. Yeah, offer for deal maybe I can say free. Pacho udin baby akase free.
Akase Peter Makom stew.
Yeah, yeti
o. Me so me smoke gabi. Me wo no na. Me din no akwen say me di abofudin bi di ma no. Nti me da abofudin ma me wie no. Sisi ano mpese nka me side din no. Me pe before di so
you obe answer okay if one call now on answer three way na Asempa drama are you ready so okay yeah answer two way next week better also because me will kiss him do I say me kiss
c'est pas on say your standard yedi ye ejuma wo bibia
right
because birth certificate no it's recognized internationally. Until you was standard that you the throw then over birth registration why you throw within first name first
okay
you throw second name or middle name second
right
now say name echo last
okay
so na arrangement and it is standard
right
now me now osi o man by English name or person Sunday baby den share one and so ma ho kwan say obetumi ayesa say wakoya akrali papa dey easy Obeko court akoye declaration say wow baba o register no with English name na say mo pese ye ho say o ye Ghana nipa o fi ukruman kasanti o pese o mano ebibidin
right
now the ashekra so fine now the akra no birth certificate na English name o the atare e chekama now the onsa asha se fine now the atare so abreye ye be fa ekwan so nhihia ya to e the assistant din na makra no a copy of the birth certificate with the new name on it.
Okay.
Na emo onya yesa nhihye ni wie a untumi nsa wechim ba say o sa besesa bio.
Right.
Your time no call nso ba me pese ye nuanu omo wo Abrokyire ne say no omo betumi de yanyankete hu direct on e-services.
Right.
Government ayen nhihye bibra omo ma government services right to the doorsteps of the citizenry. Your e-service platform ohia questions be able to me there to or you know bedding kitten ho ohia certified copy of your birth certificate call eservices.gov.gh ubenya information ni nyina wo ho oye no kama yewo e-payment platform so you can use your Visa card, your MasterCard, your mobile money to pay for the services. Of course, you display services and the charges ni nyina wo ho. And after you the shipment agencies na ye nhihye be utu for shipment any DHL, any EMS e won nhihye. So once you pay for your shipment, when you don't need any human intervention. It's online.
Okay.
Utu me ye we nyina ye travel application na ye process BBI we na ya ship it. We have this platform. Please make use of it. Now we sure say money best and let's register in Edin Kita before middlemen do all sorts of
interventions
in fraudulent documents.
Yeah, that's ye papa Emmanuel Butchie or ye assistant registrar in charge of IT from Birth and Death Registry and Abrokyire Nkommo and you next week you need to ask near call details of where questions in the more NEA. Next no answer sorry no nyamira aduma na what you say adum ye na ye be share e Germany na ni na ne say ye ne Ghana German Center for Jobs Migration and Reintegration for ekwakoye road show na ni na ne say we are omo be host ye ni bebre na ye nua baba ko a obe host ye adia to nani eye ni maame ni bibia Josephine kusi apia ata na oye okona ni okona busua 13th of next month na ye beja e maame ne kwan ewo Germany na ye nyina baba boa ne aye sumno ewo honomo saso na apia kubi Van Dyke me boss ewo Hot Digital FM UK ene your birthday ne mom wofuno eso ti aye training ena Irama living stream also multimedia hayad or TV session ene your birthday ye mamu nyina afisha pa na what we send ye beto aso enyumre na no